The disabled in the class, the deformed. We had one in our class called Edward. When the class is going this way, you see Edward going. He was a deformed person. No, tell me from that. No, like that deformed. And he always has that big head, big lips, big mouth, big eyes. Edward, see, he had the tagline, nobody in the whole world can compete with. When you piss him off, he just look at you. From his foot, a fear. That's his one. Hey, he has a super power. Edward, why are you sleeping in the class? From his foot, a fear. And do you know what I like? The way he lifts the head from the foot. Yeah. One time we were in the class, the whole class was reeking of beans. Class was full of beans. I was like, what the hell is going on? Who is eating? Edward was in the park. He had beans mixed with gari and plantain, and he poured it into his pocket. And he was just fetching it with the 2 fingers. So everybody tell me where it was Edward. Edward, I didn't know why you eating the beans. Why is he missing the class? Why he missing the class? He does it to everybody, even the headmaster, he gives it to him. Headmaster, hey, why don't you be sent for school fees? You're supposed to be going. I said you to be sent for school fees. You can't be. And listen, ladies, you think you have some super hot boyfriends. Some of them were Edwards in our time. So make sure if you have a boyfriend, go and ask her former schoolmate, how was he? You say, oh, your boy, you know what they call him. And they have the nerve to tell us that we should accept gayism. Barack Obama is the biggest disappointment to the black society. If you agree, to show some love. I won't mince my words, I'll tell you straight, he's an idiot. You know the only race that stays genuine to humanity is Africa. See boy, Obama, yes we can. Yes we can. You don't even know Obama's father's name. Obama. We voted for you. You be a true. And he was actually going on an African campaign. You need to accept the gays and lesbians in the society. Because the society go with you. Shame. Do you know the best person who dealt with Obama for me? Mugabe. What did he tell him? He said, look, if he wants us to legalize gayism and lesbianism, unless he's ready to be my boyfriend, I will legalize it. Now imagine Barack Obama, Mugabe boyfriend, or they are married, and Mugabe wants to make love that night. Barack Obama, you have to really lubricate your buttocks because tonight is going to be, I tell you. What kind of stupid thing I tell her? We should accept gayism for the world. This is Africa, my nigga. And do you know what they told us? That animals have gay tendencies. That's a bloody lie. Who has ever seen a gay lion before? Tell me. You are watching National Geographic, Animal Planet. How do lions look? Nigga, I'm gonna show you. What the fuck? Come on for you. That's how lions look. Have you ever seen a gay lion on National Geographic? A lion chasing a zebra. Round, zebra, come round. I'm a lion, don't you know? Give me your meat. Let me bite you one, please. Who has ever seen a gay freaking lion before? Or gay monkeys? Monkey walking in the cave. Oh, wow! Oh, baby, Anna! No, that's how monkeys walk. Oh, true. But there's one animal, I believe that animal is gay. A cat. If you love cats, you are close to being gay. I tell you what. If you love dogs, you are not. A cat. What do you do when you see a stranger? A dog will bark. What does a cat do? Look at you. Oh, tell my guy, check me. See my tie. Oh, why no one look at me? Then when you don't look at him, he gets pissed off, looks at you the whole time. When you meet eye to eye. Gay animal. And some boys say you are gay but you don't know. Let me give you some few signs. If your favorite musician is Beyonce, you are gay. If you're a boy, how can your favorite musician be gay? Drunk in love, we'll be all night. Boy, you are gay. If you know how to dance Amanda perfectly, you are gay. Amanda. What's that? What's that? You are gay. If you are on WhatsApp as a boy and you chat saying hello, you are the most gay forever. Because how do real niggas chat on WhatsApp? Hello, Y-O, show. That's how the hell we chat, nigga. The fuck is hello? Do you know what kills me? When you see hi, like Chinese on Chico. Hey, hi. Oh, so my guy, hi, my guy. Who are you? And so I'm Dennis, I need you for the spirit from Dennis, this will be your last warning. True! Is any guy here who chats by saying hi? Who is that? Look! Back then, Ghana was the ish. Back then, let me tell you, if you don't watch Captain Planet on the weekend, don't go to school on Monday. If you don't watch Power Rangers, we actually watch Power Rangers and come out and replay it. And you see us in the show, go Power Rangers, I'm red. And then you have the Chinese movies. Those times, Mnet, 2 p.m. Hey, everybody's in a hurry, go and you go and watch. After you watch, Charlie, I be Tompo. And another guy said, I be Shanchong. We're fighting Chinese. Don't joke. And then there's this one, Journey to the West. Even our parents were watching it. One time, my mom, come on, you ain't about me. In case you ain't about me. Yes, that's a powerful home. Those times, this is when it rains, they tell the kids, hurry up, get to the room, you catch cold. Oh, see, our time when it rains, it's a goddamn pool party. What does the mom say? Best thing I call is solo, never move to mommy. So you're in the rain and your mom is in the room through the window. God will punish our mother. Hey, Papa gets you move solo, why? But go away to town and you see the boys and the girls in the back. Those times the roofing sheets, you know, that's when the water pours. They're just inside. Yeah, what's up, man? Yeah, Chara Rastafari, me and them on them. Those were the times when you enjoy the evening time in the room. And your mother was the same mother was going to tell you, whoa, it's so popping out of Jimmy, want to rain so. But the set was for your generation. Back then, we were the ish. Who here didn't steal his mother's points? But you go get points. Aloha, black and white, Asana, Adule, Atomo, Nido, Cerelac. When you buy Cerelac for your siblings, that is when you start your operations. My mother, she used to notice the Cerelac going down. When she fetched, do you know what we used to do in our time? When our parents buy it and they don't open it, we don't open it. The moment they open, attack. My mother bought Milo, she never opened it, no attack. The day she opened it, fetched 20-15 minutes later, BAM! Then she came back, hey! The owner has struck. Second day, third day, look, I was in love with it. The Milo looked like Yvonne Nelson for me. Like, I go walk through the room, when I'm looking at the Milo looks like, you know, Yvonne Nelson, always she has a leg hanging on the wall. When I go out, let me fetch one. And you don't know, those times, when you fetch, you put it in your mouth and you come out and your mom asks you a question. That's when you turn to a deaf and dumb. You have the Milo in your mouth. The way you come out, what do you do in the room? I ain't supposed to go to school. You know that, oh, no, Ben, I need to bend down. Hi, one time I was still in the middle, she caught me. Hey, beatings with this. I was in the room, no, she had marked me down. So I was in the room, slow. You know how we stole in our time? Then she said, stand by the middle and be holding the spoon. Spoon. Spoon is nice, it's spoon. But when you open it, so then when I put it in my mouth, then she entered the room. And she you said, and I said, oh, I was fetching it for you. And fetch water back. Me I say tea, fetch more. She I don't say we were collecting the beating so. My mother could beat me with full style. She could beat me King Solomon's mind style. She could beat me, how do you call it? Pirates of the Caribbean. You can even hear the sound when she starts, you know, she has the king. You know it's about to go down. Do you know how we're chatting our time? Hey, yesterday, the way my mother beat me, don't be easy. Hey. She beat me and my head was aching. Then someone will come, oh, come on, they didn't beat you. You didn't know what they do to me. Those were the times. Who here smokes weed? You see, they are not confident. And you see them on BBM and what's up? Jah Rastafari to the weed. This is a solid herb to the nation. Declare yourself. Do you know the scariest thing is to tell a joke to a weed smoker? When you smoke weed, your brain went faster. And when you drunk, your brain went slower. So as you tell a joke to both people, this is how they hear it. Like it's simple, I've told a joke. Marriage is like a public toilet. Those inside want to come out. Those outside want to go inside. Be careful you don't get running stomach. Simple joke. Now, the drunk guy, this is how it sounds to him. He's looking at you. And the joke is flying, is coming. And it enters the head.
Marriage is like a fairy tale. Goes and starts. Be careful you don't get running stomach.
Guy did fall so slow motion. But the weird guys, everything is so fast. Weird guys are comedy shows. They just tell you what the joke. Now the same joke as I've told. This is how the weird guys hear it. Everything was faster. One time I smoke weed, it don't be small thing. See, when you smoke, you are not far from being mad. One senior of mine, he smoked. And we were just speaking about strength in school. So he just came, was just watching us. You know when you go and smoke with the red eyes, they keep looking at you. And then we're telling themselves, the man he did. Tell him to go jump the wall. Then all of a sudden, just entered. Who can you say Monday? Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. This is a Monday per day. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. No more than day. Sunday, Sunday. The day they say the Monday. Who tell you? We knew he was going mad. He smoked the weed in the bunker. He had his leg hanging like this. After smoking, he was just the boys. I don't like some jokes. Crowd. Who carry my leg? No. Why for take my leg? Now the whole argument was about his leg. A senior of mine smoked, he jumped on the school wall and was just calling the whole time on the wall. So you be in your classroom, you see, it was for MBA, you see him on the wall and he looks like you. Please don't smoke. I beg you. It doesn't kill. Tobacco kills. But when you smoke, your conscious mind fights your unconscious mind. So when you smoke, it's like two people are talking to you. So you can just tell, why do they walk slow? Walk fast. Okay. Why do they walk fast? People they watch you walk slow. I might be your own leg. So walk fast then. Get there for walk fast. I went to buy food. I had the food in my hands. They said, but why they carry the food for your hand? Where your pockets be? I said, yeah. I put the food in my pocket. Now people were looking at me. And I was looking at it like, what be my problem? And he was there looking at, you see how they were looking. Where the food is no good. Put out for your head. That's the right thing. I put the food on my head and I was smiling at it. Boy, I started eating. I met a friend, so I told him that challenge. You give me a plate, make a chop. You know, weed makes you hungry. So I was going to pour the food in the plate. Then the unconscious guy told me, look, if you pour for the plate, you will vanish. So make a chop for the rubber. I was sitting, how this thing? I said, why you chop for the rubber? Check like some church on mate for a donor. Pour the thing for plate, you be gentleman. And I pour the thing in the plate. I was sitting. See your guy, what the guy, watch the guy. You want chocolate, you want steal out. Hide up. I was sitting in the food like this. Hey, Ganja! You know it's small, no? If you small Ganja that still stable, please raise your voice. Show some love.